Tap, tap, tap against the stained glass, like heaven trying to say something. The whole sanctuary trembling quietly, while midnight poured from the sky. Flickering candles near the altar rail, half the room swallowed by shadows. Old red carpet holding decades of prayers. Too many names nobody remembers anymore. I sat 3 rows from the pulpit, cold soaked straight through my skin, listening to the rooftop shiver while my thoughts caved inward. Every droplet against those windows sounded like a question without an answer. Hear the water strike the glass tonight, like heaven knocking through the storm outside. Every echo through the sanctuary walls carry things I never said aloud. The rooftop rattled, the floorboards groaned, and somehow I felt less alone, because even the sounded like mercy falling through the dark. Let the night keep speaking. Don't let the silence swallow me whole. Streetlights blurred behind the colored windows, blue and amber running down the frames. Dusty hymnals resting in the pews untouched, like sleeping witnesses to older days. The clock beside the back entrance ticking, each second heavier than before. Yet every drop against the building kept pulling something loose from deep inside. And suddenly the storm outside me matched the one beneath my ribs. Hear the water strike the glass tonight, like unseen hands reaching through the skyline. Every tremor through the rafters overhead shook loose memories I tried to bury dead. The ceiling whispered, the shadows swayed, and somehow I remained, while the whole cathedral sounded alive. Maybe some nights are not meant to be escaped. Maybe some nights arrive to empty everything we've hidden. Let the floodwaters reach forgotten chambers. Let the midnight wash neglected corners clean. Break the locks around my inner hallways till nothing buried stays asleep in me. Every crack inside the building, every groan beneath the beam, every trembling stained glass window started singing back in me. And the whole room shook like ancient doors were opening, and the whole sky roared like eternity was breathing nearby. And every drop against those windows turned into rhythm, turned into rhythm for my heartbeat. Tap, 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 tap. Hear heaven at the glass, tap, 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 calling through the stormy last, tap, 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 till every locked room opens wide. would never sound the same again. Sunlight slowly climbed the stained glass, turning puddles into rivers of color across the floor. Gold, crimson, deep sapphire reflections stretching across empty pews, like the night had left fingerprints behind. The air smelled like soaked cedar wood and extinguished candles. Everything felt rearranged somehow, like the building itself had survived something sacred. Even the silence sounded fuller now, not hollow like before. Some storms do not arrive to destroy. Some storms arrive to loosen the things we chained down too tightly, to shake dust from forgotten places, to remind the soul that ceilings were never meant to hold eternity back forever. And every window carried traces of where the rain had traveled. Every wooden beam still echoed with the sound of heaven passing through. Hear the water strike the glass again, like eternity returning through the skyline. Every echo through the sanctuary halls, still awaking, sleeping parts inside my chest. The rooftop trembles, the old walls sing, and now I understand the meaning. Sometimes the darkest weather carries the brightest arrival. Let the towers shake, let the rafters cry out, let every locked cathedral chamber open completely now. No more hiding behind polished religion, no more burying trembling hearts, because even shattered windows still let the morning enter against the stained glass, like heaven trying to say something. The whole sanctuary trembling quietly while midnight poured from the sky. Flickering candles near the altar rail, half the room swallowed by shadows. Old red carpet holding decades of prayers. Too many names nobody remembers anymore. I say